going on, traders? This is your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, coming at you with another one. Day trading recap. Sorry, yesterday, man, I got a little too busy in order to get my video done, so I'm coming to you now. I'm gonna get this one done real quick. Yeah, man, we're talking about just a crazy day, like a what the F day. Like, this was a wild day for traders. And I'm not going to give you my normal format. I'm just going to go in because I'm not going to go like I normally do. I'm going to just go ahead and get straight to the stocks that I was looking at because I'm pretty busy and I got some things that I got to take care of. So let's go ahead. Let me share my screen. The market is still open and everything's crashing. This is the crash hour. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the Dow and the SPY real quick. Let me flip to the daily for this one. Once it loads, probably a little slow. Probably need to reset this computer. Yeah. Okay, so here's the daily on the Dow. We can see, we slipped. We had a little bounce here, but it's real still indecisive. None of these candles this is a good candle, but these candles aren't strong and they're not convincing. And as the way the day traded, it was a really sloppy day trading wise. Things were just ugly, man. I mean, when I say ugly, I mean ugly. UGLY. You ain't got no alibi. You ugly. That's what it looked like. But anyway, same look here. Okay, so that's about what I thought it would be. Now, here were some of the stocks that I was looking at today, and I'm gonna switch it over. I'm just gonna go quick. Okay. I didn't get to trade this one. Yes, I did. This one killed me. This was a killer. This was a backbreaker. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute, and I played a high volume play. If you go off of this candle right here, 7 a.m. candle, and right here I played it at 352, and we can see it just fell through it. It fell through. It never really gave me an adequate chance to get out. So I took a bigger loss than I would like to have on this one. But hey, such is life. Okay, so it just didn't work out. Okay, but I tried to trade it again later, back to the 15 right here at 360. I had an order in for 361. It came to 362 and bounced. God, that was the trade I needed. That was the one that would have really changed my day. I ended up having a losing day. First time I had a losing day in a long while. Really, maybe in about a month. As crazy as that may sound. But yeah, so that's how that one went down. Okay, so this one is showing weakness. I wanted to get it pre-market here. It never came there. And so we played high volume, and then I played, which this was the play there. Missed that. See, this is did I trade? I traded so much today, I don't even remember everything. I might have even traded this here. I don't even remember. It was so much going on because I was behind, and so I had to do some things to catch it up. Okay, so that's that one. The next one is U1K. Now this one, just another crazy stock that was up. I actually traded this one. We would have to go down to, I'm going to just go to the 5. I traded it right here at 607. I had an order at 607. Let me see if it shows me on the 5-minute. It actually was a good trade. This is a good start to my morning. Yeah, it came here. It ran deeper, but it came back so fast. And it ended up, I got out at 6. I got in at 607 and out at 660. So that's a pretty good trade. I was really happy with starting off, and then as you'll see, the day kind of went south, and then I just kind of rebounded off of it. I didn't cry about it. I just let it go. That was one. I never got to trade this one, AFH, but it was moving. This one ran from us all day, and then I tried to get in late. But see, I stopped putting in orders at noon because unless it's breaking out, usually these things sell off. And look what it's doing, and look what the biggest sell-off candle is right here. What time did that candle start? Noon. Okay. We'll see a trend. Carve, man, this is another one. Did not pull the trigger on this one. It was moving though. But I didn't want to chase this. There was just a lot going on, man. Today was crazy. I didn't want to chase this, but it gave me an opportunity here, and then it pulled back and it stopped and rebounded. Who knows what it'll do? Look at this big sell-off candle. What time? 12:15. This is another reason why I don't like buying stuff. I did trade IMTE. I caught IMTE right here. Let me move this to 5. Oh no, I got it at 550, right at the bottom of this candle. 552 is what I paid. And so this one did all right. This one I got it at 552. It bounced back. Actually, it did more than all right. It bounced back up over to 6. At one point, gave me an opportunity to make a little bit of money. But there's one. Am I missing? I am missing a stock. Let me see. I have it in my pre-market. This is this one. If it changes. OPHC. This is another one. So 2 stocks kill me. Bigger losses. Look at, oh my God, look at this. It just poured out red. God, it just poured it out. And I bought it here, and I bought it here at 463. It couldn't hold. It just dropped. And I couldn't get out with an adequate price. And what's funny is right when I get out, it bounced right to where I at least would have been able to break even. So I just like it. That's how it go. It was just crazy, man. So we saw this morning, the market was in a slide this morning. And so a lot of stocks slid with it this morning. I think from 6:30 to 7:15, the market just sold off. It was just red. In fact, let me show you that so you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look, 1, 2, this doesn't even count. 3. So basically, the first 4 candles are pretty much red. Okay, and then it kind of bounced, and look, it sold off. No surprise. 9 out of 10 stocks follow the market. So, yeah, so when the SPY was selling off like that, when you go back to some of the things that you were seeing, it should make perfect sense, especially that one, the last one I showed you. Man, it just sold off. But, this is the deal. Now, the reality is I haven't seen a day like this maybe in 2 or 3 months, me personally, in regards to how it impacted my trading. After things leveled out the first hour, actually it was really good. Like it was some good trades that I made to counter those 2 big losses. I still closed the day red, but this literally is the first red day I've had in literally about a month. Maybe 3 weeks max. I mean minimum. But I'm okay with that. There's no crying in baseball. I was able to bounce back and take care of what I needed to take care of. Such is life. I will be ready tomorrow. Nothing's gonna change. Same process. You know, my June is still really good. I'm still up big on this particular month. No complaints here. You sometimes you just get slapped by the market just to remind you of its power and what it can do if you're not paying attention and doing your due diligence, and that's all there is to it. Stay the course, my friend. Stay the course. So, hey, I'm done. Sorry about yesterday. I will get back to you guys tomorrow. In fact, what I'm going to start doing, if I can't get it all done, I'll go live real quick and do my recap that way, because at least I can still get the recap up. All right, y'all. See y'all later.